manual thing there as well.
No, I'll be fine. Should be fine.
So you know what you're doing.
No, it's okay. Hopefully. Now, I cracked a lame joke and I think the lady got suspicion, thought, I wonder if he knows what he's doing. Anyway, guys, hi, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this ideal. It's not working, not firing up, and it's claiming a code of L1. We're going to diagnose it, and we're going to repair it, and we're going to be sharing that with you in this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. No worries. Now, it's a very cold day outside, and I thought it was going to be frozen pipe outside, but see that one? There's a condenser going inside there, so it's not frozen. That's alright. But you still got gear clean. Look at the state of that. So we're gonna have to sort that out. Shit. I think I just poured more mess into it. I gotta clean it out again. What an idiot. Right guys, the condenser P-trap was clogged up and the water was building up back into the combustion chamber. I've cleaned up the P-trap, the water boiler is firing up now, there's no more L2 code, and the L2 code was an ignition issue, so we sorted that out. We're going to test it out and hopefully all will be working fine after that. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair you all your favourite boilers, baxi, Biasi, vaillant, wocesterbosch and many more. So don't stop in cold, give us a call. Now as you can see here, the hot water is working fine, there's steam coming out of it, so nice and hot, they can have a nice good bath. Right. Guys, just sorted the ideal out. The condenser was plugged up on it. So it's all sorted. Cleaned it all out and it's all working fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.